سبحان الله، شبث مسك العصفور. سبحان الله.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Alright, you guys, here's another
not
video.
doing anything.
I know, he's not moving at all.
Is he fighting them? No.
I have no idea. Super creepy town, though. Black Widow eating a lizard. Wow.
Around to the right of them. You can see the lizard.
I know, I want him to move too. So the lizard, from what we can tell, is still alive because it was moving a second ago. Dude, take a piece of metal or something and poke the lizard's tail. See if you can get it to move. Nothing. Whoa, that's weird. Maybe he's injecting more venom into him or something. Dude, he's just sitting
Yeah,
there.
the spider. She's got, dude. I can see. He's got death grip on him. I can see from this angle. I can see underneath the spider. She's got her fangs or venom stuck right in that dude.
I'm too close. It won't focus. Creepy. Oh man, I see the lizard breathing.
Yeah.
Oh man. Weird.
You got it.
Yeah. Oh, going back down.
But she's gonna jump now.
Whoa. Dude, that is so cool. So creepy. Well, should we put them out of their misery?
Oh no.
I mean, that's pretty creepy.
What happened if you would kill? Go ahead and just kill the lizard. I don't know. Are you gonna?
This has been Living on the Wild Side with Levi Spikes. Watch next time when I jump and bait a croc.
Whoa. Wow.
dangerous adventures.
Yeah. See if I get a better angle over here. Oh wow, look at that diamond on his butt there. That's rather obvious.
You can throw some gas on it. That'll kill it.
Yeah.
Then a match.
Whoosh. Ugh. My legs. Okay. I don't think they're going to do anything different. Whatever you do, children, do not try this at home.
What, eat a lizard?
Yeah, that. Here, hand me a good sized piece of metal. Yeah, that'll work. See what happens if I cut this web.
Oh, she's dead now?
No, not dead.
Then why don't you kill her?
Okay. Now she's dead.
Ooh.
That's what's left of a black widow.
That's why he wasn't going anywhere.
Stuck. Weird, man. Yeah, gross. But put him on, see if he'll like run around or something. You just put him down. Whoa, 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 he's trying. He's fighting, he's fighting. Hey, don't put him on me, man.
Stuck in my hand.
Creepy.
Ah! If he survived a Black Widow and balding.
Yeah, well, he's still alive now, but I wonder, like, if the venom
How
will
alive?
eventually kill him or what.
How alive is he?
Yeah, I don't know. He's
Still alive.
not very alive, no. Whoa, whoa! Holy cow!
Well, that's the luckiest lizard I've ever seen.
Holy cow, do you think he'll survive? Would that be crazy if he lived?
Oh, he's probably in wow.
Now you can put it in.
Ew, it just touched pee.
Just leave them. And you're afraid of it? She's got her back turned. She's not even looking. Alright, we'll see how long this takes here.
Yeah.
Can you just get him out of the den here? Come on, bud. Seriously.
Well, we launched
Just don't want to
this
get
program in 2007, but I started working
Oh,
with the anti-rape.
You're not gonna get bit if you take him out that way. I'll watch him and I'll tell you if he fucking goes for it. You know what I mean?
I just want to try and get him out. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for using a shitty spoon.
The rape crisis in South Africa, you start understanding that there's a bigger problem because you're dealing with a country that's highly impacted.
Scared. Oop, he attacked it.
South Africa, the epidemic in South Africa is the worst than any other country in the world. The number of premature deaths caused by HIV/AIDS has increased in the last decade from
Totally ignore the
39%
fucking
to
mouse.
75%.
I was
We're
fucking
only
with him.
1% of the population, but we're 17% of people living with
Damn,
AIDS
dude.
and HIV in the world. So
Ooh, are there teeth marks in it?
Things like that.
Let me see. Or fang
So,
marks.
like, obviously, I'm South African, so it made sense for me. But I think if I wasn't a South African and I heard those numbers, I would.
What is the main reason, do you think, that it's so bad in South Africa? And what can be done to tackle it?
You bit the fucking shit out of that.
I think it's a lack of information. I really do. I really believe that, and this program has really made me aware of that. I think we take for granted people knowing how to prevent HIV and AIDS. You know, there's a lot of time and resources and money being poured into.
Both catfishes are hanging out together. Yep. Yeah, dude, they're like swimming together and like eating together. This is fucking cool. That's funny. That didn't take long.
I'm kind of shocked the spider doesn't really give a shit about the mouse. Oh, nope, there's the mouse.
Roll on floor laughing my fucking ass off right as you say that. Mouse is gone.
I feel a little bad for the mouse, but
Oh yeah, he's adorable, but he's, you know, that's what they're made for. You just kind of gotta try and get over it. That's what they're fucking bred for, you know. Took him down. Come to this side, dude.
I don't know, I was just watching the video.
This is cool, man. Leo was watching from this side too. He's starting to bleed. Only took about maybe 15 seconds for him to die. Goliath 1, Mouse 0.
carting it back to his den.
I love watching him walk.
Me too.
He walks like so carefully and slow, but when he wants to, he's fucking bold.
He's so fast when he wants
super
to.
fast, yeah.
But when he's like has his time, he's just like so careful. So cool.
Yeah, I love watching him walk. It's just so fucking awesome, dude. God damn. Did she get a cricket or no? Is that her new one? Doesn't look like a new one. I think she'd be feeding on it. What's she
I
doing?
put one in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I put a medium one in there. I threw him in the net and then he fucked up. And at the bottom. But
Oh no, that's a stink bug that she's going down to.
there is another cricket in there, but so I'll get caught eventually.
If she's hungry, she's fucking retarded. There's a giant cricket underneath there that she didn't eat. I don't know why she didn't go down there.
I'll get another one tomorrow.
Oh, there he is. I see him. He looks like a wood chip.